Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to Fahari Code. Um, yep. So today, guys, I would like to share with you something. I've been developing recently Android apps. So there is this app called Simple PDF Reader, which I just completed this week. So I just completed it recently and uploaded to the Play Store. So if you want to see what it is, let me open Visor here. Yeah, it is a PDF, simple PDF reader. So guys, and if you would like to, maybe you would like me to build this app from scratch in YouTube, or start a video tutorial on how to build this app from scratch, just drop the comment below, and then I'll see if I can start. A new series about building this simple PDF reader. As you can see, it has got 2 pages, all files, whereby I display all PDF files which are found on the Android phone. So I describe them here, and then you can open it. See, yeah. So just like that, you see. So can go back, can share. You see, you can search here, maybe. Yep. So guys, so today, so this is the app which I recently was working on, and now it's just under review on Play Store. I just uploaded it on the Play Store, so it's under review. So soon will be available on Play Store. So when it will be available, I'll just put the link below so that you can see. Or try to maybe to check it on by your own and see all the features which are available on this app. Yeah, so let me show you what I intend to do today. I want to show you some of the one of the feature which is in this app PDF reader, which when I was implementing it was somehow difficult to get some reference or some. I tried to search on Google, but I didn't find the solution. But after working out by my own, tried to find out read documentation. That's when I found out the solution to this problem. Actually, the problem was how can I, as you can see here on this Android app, I just open this file. I just go to the files, you see, and then you go to internal. You go maybe to downloads here. You'll find these PDF files here. So what I was trying to do, I wanted to open this from my app when I'm here, when I'm in this directory of download. So I want to open direct to my app. So somehow it was very difficult to implement this open with feature on my app, PDF reader app. But finally I succeeded to implement it. So that's why I wanted to share with you how to implement this part of the feature. Maybe you may need it in your app, I don't know. See, so I wanted to share it with you so that maybe it cannot take you a long time to implement the feature. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you how I implemented this in my app. So so if you say open with, so it will just, the system will recognize all the app which maybe they're capable of reading this document, in this case this PDF file or PDF document. So yeah. So guys, yep, so that's what I want to show today. Yeah, so let me go to Visual Studio. So if you go here, so let me open Visual Studio here. So yeah, I just created an empty I just created as you can see, I just created a very simple empty empty project for Android Studio. So if you want to know how to create this empty project from Android Studio, actually for today I'm not going to show you, but yeah, I hope there are so many tutorials on YouTube, or even if you go to Google, you can just find out how to record I mean how to create an empty or a new project from Android Studio for building Android apps. So I'm not going to show you today how to do that. So I hope that if you go to Google, you find a lot of tutorials there. So guys, yeah, so today I have already shown you the prototype, I mean the feature that we're going to do today. So without wasting time, so let's get started. First of all, what you are supposed to do here, I'm going to create, as you can see in our project, we have, let me pass you through the project. So if you go here, up here you say project, or you can just go, yeah, I like to work with project, or if you want, you can just select here. Yeah, so if you go here, you can just select Android. So I like to work with this Android. So here, so it shows you Java, the file for Java. So for this case, it's a PDF. So this one. So here, that's where your activities will be, and then here, that's where you have layout. So if you ever work with Android, I know you know what I mean. So yeah, so first of all, I think I will just use this as a main activity, but if you want, you can just create a new activity here, and yeah, but for this case, I'll just use this main activity to build my this feature, to show how I come up with this feature. So first of all, I'm going to there's a package, this package called, let's go to Google. Let's go to Google, and I'm going to use this package. It's a very good package for reading the PDF documents. I'm trying to see if I've connected this. So guys, I'm trying to connect to the internet through my Wi-Fi. Yeah, so it's connected now. So if you go to Google, let me start a new. So if you type here Chrome, yeah, so if you search for Birstock PDF viewer, it will Vertex PDF viewer. So this library is very good. So if you go to here to GitHub, you find documentation for it. So now I'm going to so if you want to read more about how this PDF works, I mean this package works, but it just helps you to read the PDF documents on Android app. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to take this one. So I'm going to use the let me just use the latest version. So after copying that one, you just go here to Gradle scripts. You go to you go to this build Gradle. You go down here, and then you paste it. So after that, you sync. So guys, let's wait for it to synchronize, and then we'll continue. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button below, so that you can support me. I mean, you can encourage me so that I can do more videos. I mean, I should continue to continue to share with you new things, new tutorials, new challenges which I face when I build apps, so that when it comes to you, you can just should not spend a lot of time. You can just grab my tutorials and then learn from it. You can explore some features and whatever. So guys, make sure you subscribe the button below. you subscribe so that you can get notification for new videos when I upload new videos. So, yep. So it's already finished to synchronize. So now let's go and start building our PDF app. So yeah, so here you just go here to the activity main layout. So here, what you're going to do, we are going to create just like a layout where our PDF will be displayed. So here you can create I don't know, so you know what, let's delete all this. So anyway, let me just use the same one, but I'll just change this one here to linear layout, whatever. So you can use that layout, whatever, linear layout. Yes, it doesn't matter for this tutorial. So after that, you just then you grab that package. So it is called PDF. So if you buy for PDF view, yeah, it comes here. So after that, I want it to match parent. I want to take whole the screen. See. So then after, yeah, just close it. Yeah, you can just close it like this, or you can just use this one, no problem. Doesn't matter. So yeah, after that, yeah, maybe let me give it ID so that I can just rewrite in code. So let me call it maybe PDF view, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, that's our layout. Okay, so if you want to see it how it looks, you can just come here. Yeah, unfortunately we will not see anything right now until we load this PDF, you know. Yep. So yeah, so after that you just go to main activity here. So you go to main activity and you start doing some codes. See, so guys, yeah, so the first thing that we do here, we are going to find that PDF view. So we'll just maybe create like maybe I don't know, you can just say maybe we have a variable here, maybe you can call it final, whatever. We can put final because we know it will not change actually. Yeah, PDF view. See some from Batex. So you make sure it's come from Batex, you know. So then you can call it maybe PDF file, PDF view, whatever. Then you can say, okay, can you just find me with this ID? So use dot layout. Solid.id layout. See, so layout.id. Sorry guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. PDF view. So just like that. So after that, what you do is so since we want to open it from when we say open with, you see, so the first thing that we do is we just grab source because we got it from the intent. So when we will be opening this activity, so our Android phone from file system, when you click that file that you want to open with this app, it will send some data to this activity as we have, which we will retrieve it through intent. You see, so here I'm going to say intent, so let's call it intent is equal to, let's say this dot get intent. So we'll receive intent from, so after getting this intent, we'll grab surface, so we'll check if that intent is not equal to null. So I will just check. There's no need, but yeah, I think it's better to do some defensive programming here. So we'll say intent is not equal to null. See? So after that, after making sure that the intent is not null, then and also we want to check if this intent is not equal to null. We want to check, because you see what I mean here. So we need to make sure that is this coming from action view, intent action view. See, so we say grab action, please. We'll say grab action. So we say action. We need to know the action from which we open the this intent. So we need to make sure that it is action view. So if this action, so when you click that file from the file system, we need to check if you wanted to view it, action type of view. So if we need to check from intent, so intent dot action view dot equals to this action, then we know that okay, this person, he want to open the file, in this case PDF file, and you soon you will understand, guys. So we will set up in the manifest file. We're going to set up this, that okay, if you we'll set an intent filter to make sure that when they have to, when they want to open the document through this app, it should be PDF. So here I believe yeah, so since I will be clear in the manifest file that this kind of file, this type of file will be PDF, so I'm sure this type of file which will come from this app will be PDF. So also, since I like to do some defensive programming, guys, so forgive me if you don't like it. I need also to get a URI for going to grab URI from that data that I get from intent, you see. So I'm just going to say okay, final, okay, final, maybe analytical type URI, such URI is equal to this intent, please get data. So the type of data that will come from this get data, it will be a URI. So if you go here, I think you see it returns URI. So if you click here, you'll find that okay, here it says it will return URI. So I need to make sure that this URI is not null. I'm doing some defensive programming, guys, so if you don't like it, I'm sorry. So sorry, guys, but I'm trying to make sure that everything is working fine. URI is not equal to null, so I will just say okay, then let me proceed. So after that, I'll start opening the PDF then. So I'll just grab the PDF. say PDF view dot from URI. So yeah, that's good thing from that package. It just gives us this method to open the file from URI. So after that, you can set a lot of properties here, like maybe spacing, page spray, night mode, and load. So for this case, we want to load this file. So we need to load it. So if you want, you can put a lot of you can play around with it, play with this a lot of these building functions which come up with this package. Yep. So for now, I just want to load that one. I need to open it, to load it, to open it up the app. So yeah, that is, guys. So for now, yeah, just to a quick review. Yeah, so here I just grab the instance of I just find the ID of this one and picked here. I just grab the instance, I mean the ID of this one of PDF view. So this one, that's where the content will be held, the content of that PDF. So when you preview the PDF, it will come here. This document, this PDF view is the one which will display the PDF document. So I'm grabbing the ID of it, and then after that, then I just grab the intent, because for now I'm sure, I'm 100% that I'll open it from the file system. So here, when it comes, so when you click that PDF file, you just come here and it will check. See, on create will be code, and then all this code will be wired up. So that's very simple. So after that, then I just check if it's not now. So I'm defensive programming here. Yes, so I get the intent, and then I check if it's not now. Then I just ensure that this action view, that this person want to view. So if you want to view, then I will just check the URI. If URI is not equal to now, then I'll display that document. So the second stage is you go to the manifest file here and start setting up what we are supposed to. We need to tell the manifest file, the Android app, that whenever you click the file, this activity, in this case main activity, should respond to that action view. So if you want to create it, so you want to open with this app, then it should open using this activity. So here I need to put some intent filter. If you want to read more about intent filter, it's just the way of adding some extra information to this activity about what it should do or should recognize and things. So if you want to know more, or you can just go to the Google here and set. You can just search. Guys, intent. What is intent filter? Intent filter in Android. So you can just go here. Sorry guys, it should be intent filter in Android. So here is an expression in an app's manifest file that specifies the type of intent that component would like to receive. So for instance, the intent filter. So yeah guys, just like that. So it defines the type of intents that that activity or the app requires to receive, you see. So for this case, we need to receive intent of action type. Intent of action type it should be action view, and yep. So let's be create now. So first of all, I'm going to put an intent filter here. So I want to create the intent filter. I'm going to define intent filter. So it's supposed to close it here. So you can put more than one intent filter in the activity, so don't worry. So after that, I need to define action. So action, which actually I should close it. So it should be action. You should put a name here. It should be Android action view. So the good thing that Android Studio gives me. So after declaring that, and also if possible, you need to define also it should be action name should be should be default actually. So you can just create default here. Anyway, no, here should be. I think I made a mistake. Here should be category. Category not action. So it should be default. So here should be category default. So it means that if in case if there is no app which so if you want to set it default, so if you didn't set default, it means that it will ask if you need to open it. So by this case, I can just put default, and also this should be browsable. Category also should be name should be browsable. Okay, so yep, so Android Studio is giving you some problems here, so let's go missing that element. So also we need to put another filter, another data element. So we need to declare some data. This one will tell Android Studio that which kind of data they want to retrieve. So scheme should be content. For this case should be content. We need to receive content of this file, and also it should be file. So we need to put another thing. It should be scheme. Scheme. So if you want to learn more about the scheme, you can just go to Android Studio, meaning Google, and read more about it. So this one should be file, and also it should be PDF. So very simple, guys. When I was implementing my app, somehow it took me time. I don't know. Sometimes when you are implementing these new features, you need to read some documentation, watch tutorials. You see, that's part of learning, guys. So application should be PDF. So yep, so now we are done, guys. So also we need to put some since we are reading this file from the app, so we need to give the permission. There's permission write to external storage. They advise to put also read. It should be read actually. Read user's permission. Read external storage. Right, and read external storage. So it actually should be read external storage. You can put either two, or you can just put one of them. I think most of them they will just give. But it's better to give read and write external storage. Yeah. So after that, yep. So guys, I think now we can just we can just run our app and see what is going on. So let's test our app, guys. Yeah, I'm going to run it right now. So yep. So I have opened Advisor here. So I'm sure now it will open. So now it's learning. So let's see. It's learning, guys, as you can see. So it's very important also. Just please forget to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button below, so that you can get notification when I upload a new video. You know, sharing is caring. You see, software development without sharing knowledge, without sharing things, somehow it becomes difficult, you know. So that's why when I get some difficulties like this app, when I was building this app. So guys, now it's opening. See, PDF reader. So now you can just go here. Let's go to the, first of all, we need to enable the permission from this app. So if you go here to where this app, so PDF reader app, so we just go to app info, and then you go to permissions, then enable storage. So after that, you can just go here to the file system, and then hit this one, open with. So now it will prompt you whether to open with PDF, simple PDF reader, or with PDF reader, the app that we build it together. So for this case, I want to open with PDF reader. So just once. So guys, yeah, we have succeeded to open our PDF reader, PDF document. So that's good. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, so guys, that's what I wanted to share to you today, guys. So yeah, we have succeeded to view the PDF from our app. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm so happy. So guys, this was a good tutorial. I believe you have learned something from this tutorial. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and yep, so that I can keep updating you or about new videos that I'll be uploading. You see. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me wish you a good time. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button to Fahad Code, so that me and my team can continue uploading new videos daily and keep you updated, guys. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope I have learned something new here. So you're welcome, and let me wish you a good time, and cheers.